Scan for Sovi, your AI bestie. I got your back.
Inflation questions get easy when you track what pushes demand up and what pushes costs up in the short run. So watch this breakdown. Short-run inflation usually comes from either stronger aggregate demand or weaker short-run aggregate supply. So we want the choice that raises spending pressure and also makes production more expensive. In option C, lower income taxes leave households with more disposable income, which boosts consumer spending and shifts aggregate demand right, and that creates upward pressure on the overall price level. Then higher oil prices raise production costs, shifting short-run aggregate supply left, so both effects increase inflation and make option C the winner. Well done! Option C. Scan now, watch signs, and avoid rushing. Trust given events, then check each step to see whether demand or costs raise.